Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my new video. Today's video is gonna be about this look. We're entering on fall. Well, almost. We're very way ahead, and we're gonna be talking about the fall stuff, this fall look, this drink right here. Wow! If you're new to my channel, you'll know how crazy, you're getting to know me. But if you've been in my channel, you know how crazy and addicted I am to coffee. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. If this is the first time you ever been to my channel, you ever seen me, heard of me, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my new video. If you're a subscriber, thank you and stick it up with my crazy. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And like this video just in case you forget, and comment below what you think about this look, because we're going in on this look, because we created this look with both Ipsy and Boxycharm August edition, and we're gonna talk about how this look and things like that, what I'm waiting for fall and things like that. Yeah, I'm very bored right now. So yeah, let's go and check out this video and see how I created this look. Alright, so Ipsy and Boxycharm both put like moisturizer in each month, but I've been wanting to try this one from Glam Glow, and I'm like, sorry Ipsy, I'm gonna try Glam Glow this time. I wanna know how good is this. Oh, it's a few in the face. Oh my god, it feels refreshing. Yeah, that feels good. Let's just look at the bottle. Like, look at this. That is nice. That's a beautiful green aqua color on the bottle. And then when you open product, look how dense this looks. Like, I love that color. And it feels really nice on the skin. It actually feels like refreshing. I'm gonna take that as like primer, because we didn't get no primer for either of the months, so we're just gonna skip it. Ipsy actually sent me a foundation, and the foundation is Wonder Beauty in the color of medium. And I think I heard that this foundation has, yes, this foundation has like a little wand so you can apply your foundation. I love that. So let's see. I'm not sure if I picked medium, because usually I'm medium, and it's not that much. Doesn't feel like there's much here. Yeah, it feels very empty. That's crazy. So Ipsy was supposed to send me like a brush set. I haven't got it. They only sent me 3 items. So as you guys know, my Fabfitfun summer box gave me a beauty blender, so we're gonna use that. So it has both ends. That's pretty cool, and I'm not sure how to use it, so we're just gonna go like that. It feels so weird using the silicone end, because I haven't used them in a while. I feel so weird. You know what? That foundation looks really nice. It kind of gives me like a glow. Maybe it's the light. I'll put a little bit more in my nose area. There's not that much coverage. Not much coverage, and it says it's not okay. So it's a nude illusion. Okay, so it's not like, it's just foundation. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So as you guys know, Boxycharm didn't send me product choice that I chose. They instead sent me this. They were giving them an excuse that my box fell into payment, even though it did not happen. Like, for some reason they were like, yeah, and I'm like, bitch, no, it did not happen. But instead they sent me this, even though I picked the Too Faced concealer, so we're not gonna use concealer. Neither powder, but I wanna use powder, so I can't do my face without powder. So we're gonna use the e.l.f. powder, face powder. That way I can actually lock in the foundation, because it's kind of like a routine that I have to do. If I don't do it, it feels weird. I mean, concealer, I haven't used it since the whole pandemic started, because there was no use. There's no makeup, why wear the makeup? Anyway, so as you guys know, neither of the boxes sent me any eyeshadow palette, but we're gonna be using the Cheer Festival palette. I've been wanting to use it, even though that was for last month. And I also noticed that they sent me a primer for this month, Elizabeth Matte. So we're gonna use that eye primer for my looks that I'm gonna do. Use my little blender, blend the primer. If you saw my last video, I mentioned that the bottle is so small. I mean, like, it's an eye primer. You shouldn't be using it that much, but it's still so small. Look at that. And then a little cute little box that it came in. As you guys know, I already cleaned up the broken color that came in with the palette. That way, you know, it doesn't mess up with the look. I'm also gonna, it smells good. It smells so, like, it smells like candy. So let's see, what color should I use? I like the hot.
One eternity later.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the hot. As you guys know, Boxycharm also sent me a Morphe 4-piece Aniise, so we're gonna be opening it up. Pretty those ones are. So let's see. Oops, they're all over the place. Now you go over here. Yeah, there you stay there. Look how pretty those ones are. So we're gonna be doing the look. So I'm gonna use this one. It doesn't say the numbers. It doesn't say. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using this color, and the name of the color is called Photo Up. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, that's a really pretty color. It's very pigmented. I'm gonna use a dark color, so I'm gonna Insta-worthy. This is crazy. There's no fallout on this look. There's no fallout. Damn. There is no fallout. This is crazy. I love it. I love this palette. This is crazy. There's no fallout. However, it blends very good, especially with the brushes. It's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna use the hell the primer. Oh, so I'm gonna use the primer and create like a halo around my my lids. I've been wanting to do that. My camera died and I had to finish the look because I wasn't gonna wait until I my camera. So I finished the look. Actually added vibes right here to the middle of my eyelid. It was a little bit of fallout, but not that much. It's incredibly crazy how none of this had fallout when I was applying the shadows on my face. Now, I don't know if it was the brushes or the actual color or the primer, but wow, it actually looks really nice. I actually added some dark colors around. I seen this girl on Instagram doing this type of looks, and she actually inspired me. I forgot her name, but her looks are always like looking like something like this, and I want to like do it. If I find it, if I remember her name, I'm gonna post it on the comments, on the description, because this is something like she does, but so much better. Like, damn, that girl's incredibly, but this is something like she does. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the look. I'm gonna apply brows. So we're gonna do brows. Now, this is from Winky Locks. I fucking love this brow pencil. That is crazy. Oh, I did get something. Okay, from Ipsy, we actually got this. This, I don't know where. I mean, like, I freaked out. So here's this. It's a precise brow gel, and then it's clear. We're gonna apply it on the now, don't ask me why I picked this. I don't know where. I fucked up. This is why you should read description. Man, those things that made my brows look really nice. Now next we're gonna do lashes, and we're gonna use my Image mascara. And those look nice. I don't even need an eye curler for that. Okay, finishing up the look, we're gonna use my Too Faced natural face. I'm gonna put some bronzer. Done. And now lips. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use, where's it? My Ultra Long Lasting lipstick. Let's not forget setting spray, and now for the setting spray, we're gonna be using Skin Davia. Ah, so good. And it's ready! It actually looks like a, how can I say this? Like a fall look, because we're going into fall. And with pumpkin cream cold brew. Ooh. Here's the final look. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this fall look. Actually, it is a fall look. It's crazy how I just came up with it. But I got inspiration from this girl that I follow on Instagram. I forgot her name. So comment below what you think about this look. Follow me on social media. Here are my links. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let me know what you think about this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.